All right, what's up? Okay, so another common computer problem fixed with Windows 10. This will be specific to Windows 10. Okay, so you've got Windows 10 now, and you found that some of your programs aren't the default programs you want to use. Like sometimes when a link, you click on a link and it opens a web browser, it opens Microsoft Edge, but you use Google Chrome or Firefox, or you try to send an email and it opens like Windows Mail instead of Outlook. Okay. Microsoft has really tried to push people into like some of their own programs with Windows 10. So you've got to kind of be forceful with it. You got to tell it what you want. So do this. Click in the search bar down here. Or if you want, you can just hit the Windows button and start typing. Okay. That's also a great way to get around. Type the word default. Actually spell it correctly. Okay. Click on default programs. Now scroll to the bottom. Now you can click on either of these three options, but what I would do is click on set defaults by app. Okay, now this is where you can really do all your work. Now, for instance, let's say some links are opening in Microsoft Edge. You want them to open in Chrome, which is actually my situation because Chrome is the browser I like to use. Click on Chrome. You see right here it says this program has 4 out of 19 defaults. Okay, what I want to do, I want it to have all 19. So set this program as default. And then now it has all its defaults. Now let's do a couple others. How about Microsoft Excel? Oh, it's already got all its defaults because I wouldn't want anything opening in spreadsheets except Excel. How about Word? Not Word's got them all too. Let's look at Outlook because I do use Outlook for email. Oh, it's missing 2 defaults. So I'm going to set it as default. So now it's got them all. Let's go back one. Another way you can set defaults is by clicking on this right here. I use this sometimes for PDFs because sometimes Windows will have trouble figuring out what program to use to open a PDF. And as soon as this finishes loading, I will show you. There it goes. So what I would do is come down here to PDF, which is right there. Okay, PDF. Oh, my battery's low. PDF. See, it wants to open an Edge. I don't want it to do that. Now, for instance, I will come in here. I'll click on Adobe Reader. That's just what I have installed. Maybe you have like Standard or Pro or Foxit or Qt PDF or Nitro or just something else. Or maybe you want to open your PDFs in your browser. That is actually fine, but this is where you would go to tell it specifically to use a certain program for a certain file type. Now, when you start with Windows 10, I would encourage you to go ahead and set all your defaults because otherwise it's going to be really hit or miss what program opens what file types. Hopefully this is helpful. Windows 10, a little bit different. Windows 7, you do it the same way, but the way you get there is different. And for the sake of simplicity, I'm just going to cover Windows 7 here.